Good day. Today we're going to study on how to use the ohmmeter function of the multitester. So the first step that we need to perform is to set the pointer at the left zero scale position or at the infinity of the ohmmeter function or ohmmeter scale. Assuming that the pointer is not resting at 0, so you can move this until it sets at 0 or infinity of the ohmmeter scale. You can turn the adjustment screw. It so happened that we've lost the adjustment screw on this Sanwa brand multitester. If you have a new one, you will see an adjustment screw here. But for now, we don't have it. So instead, we'll just be moving this part. And so once you're done, you can now proceed to the second step. The second step is to select the range under the ohmmeter function. We have 4 ranges. We have 1 times 1, times 10, times 100, and times 1K. So if you already know that the value of this resistor is higher, you can start from times 10. So let's select times 10. So after selecting the range, the next step is to short the test probes. You can short the test probes by connecting the black and red test leads. And so once you have connected these two test leads or test probes, you will see that the pointer will deflect at the right. So if the pointer is not resting at 0 at the upper scale, okay, you are going to adjust the 0 ohm adjusting knob. So the 0 ohm adjusting knob is found here. Unfortunately, we have also lost the knob. So instead, we will just be turning this one. Just move it slowly. Now the pointer is resting at 0. So once you're done performing that, you can now measure the resistance of this resistor. If the pointer is not deflecting, meaning to say that the value is too high, you cannot measure the value of that resistor by selecting this range. So the next procedure that you need to do is to select a higher range, which is times 1K or 1000. And then you're going to short the test probes again and make sure that the pointer is resting at 0 of the ohmmeter function. And then you can now measure again the value of this resistor. Now it stopped right there. So the reading is 75 because the value per division of this scale starting from 50 to 100 is by 5. And after determining the value of that, which is 75, you're going to multiply it by the range that you have selected, which is times 1K. So 75 times 1K, the answer is 75,000 or 75K ohms. And that is how we use the ohmmeter function of the multitester.